home. So things that I bought from Kmart are a couple of these acrylic small containers. They were only like $3 each, and the foldable acrylic stand, and I reckon they are $7 each. Tea towel holder. So it comes with a sticky tape, and you just need to peel it off and stick it onto the cupboard. So let us start. So let us stick our tea towel holders. Goes like that. What you do, you've got the sticky tape here, and then you just peel it off and stick it wherever you want. There you go. So let us arrange everything. This is how it looks like. So you can hang tea towels or microfiber cloth. So you just take that out and then put a new one in there, and then just do it like that. Oops. So it just hangs like that. And on this side you have got the sprays, the hand soap, paper towel, the bean bags. So you can just pull it out like that, and then in the middle, I'm not sure what to do with it yet, because actually our bean won't fit here because we have a big one and it is outside the cupboard. Then on this side we have got the dishwasher stuff, the soap, the rinse, and we've got the dishwashing liquid there if we need, and we store some of the disinfectant wipes as well. And on this side we have got our gloves and some sponge. So it's pretty easy, you don't need to spend too much. This is how I organize my space under the sink. That's how it looks like. And that ends our episode for today. So if you like home tips and organizational videos, please don't forget to leave a comment down below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in my next vlog. Bye!